monster trucks will have 2 hits on the crush car. We want big air, vertically going across the top of the cars, dragging the tailgate coming down on the other side. You're going to pick the winner, and the winner gets lane choice during racing. New Ulm, Minnesota. Who's ready for Summer Smash? RII test in the books. Incinerator, your first contestant for Monster Truck Wheelies.
Watch this, man.
Incinerator Wheelies in the books, ladies and gentlemen, pay attention, as you will pick the winner. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Incinerator Monster Truck Wheelies in the books. You guys will pick the winner. Next up, New Prague, Minnesota's Jim Benzik and Thunder 454.
I told you, it was loud.
Thunder 4x4 Wheelies in the books. Heartbreaker is not fired up completely yet, so they will be on the 1-minute clock. If they can fire and drive out, golden. If not, they will be out, and we will only have the opportunity